This is a resource archive for the game Ragnarok Online. It holds all the sprites and textures. You need a GRF tool to extract the game assets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the extractor. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange GRF formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A GRF file can refer to two distinct file types. Primarily, it's associated with Ragnarok Online, a popular MMORPG, where it serves as a custom archive containing game data like textures, models, and sound effects. Alternatively, GRF can denote a graph file used for storing graphical data and relationships between data points in various software applications. Ragnarok Online GRF files are essentially compressed archives, often using a proprietary compression algorithm. They allow for easy modification and distribution of custom game content. GRF files, on the other hand, typically contain structured data representing nodes and edges, enabling visualization and analysis of complex relationships. The internal structure varies depending on the software. The operating system preferentially attempts to open GRF using Ragnarok Online from Gravity. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows shows only surface-level details, while complete interpretation requires the intended application. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your GRF file and select Open With. Test Ragnarok Online if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If your GRF file will not open, do not worry. Your system failed to open the GRF file. We need to bypass the failure by running these three crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, use Ragnarok Online Client. Open the file using the Ragnarok Online Game Client, the required application for the game archive. Next, use GRF Editor. Use a dedicated GRF editor shotshot viewer to browse or extract the game assets. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.